All right, I'm now looking at question 7E, and I'm just going to go through EI and EII together. And so what we're looking at here is, the first question says, using the data, calculate the UK's average workplace earnings for 2 marks. And you're given the Cornwall average of 17,390, and you're told that that is 77% of the UK average. And so what you're trying to do is you're setting up an equation, which is to say that 0.79, which is another way of writing 79%, is equal to this figure, which is the Cornwall average weekly wage, divided by the UK's average weekly wage, because we're given sort of the we're given the Cornwall average, but we want to solve for this x here. And so by rearranging that, some algebra, you sort of move the x up to this side, move the 0.7 down to that side. So x is the 17,390 divided by 0.79. So x gives you this 22,012.66, or you can round that up to 22,013 pounds, which is the UK's average weekly earnings, which is the correct answer. And then if you wanted to look at the next question, which is the proportion of Cornwall's GDP lost due to rail damage, it gives you, in the case study, they say that there was the cost of the 10 days from which they were cut off following the storm at Dawlish on the south coast between Exeter and, well, at Dawlish, basically, after Exeter. They said that the cost of the Cornwall economy was £175 million, and it says that the Cornwall economy is annually worth £7.54 billion. And so it's basically just to say what's the proportion of the total Cornish economic output which was lost, given that you're given what was lost and you're given what the total is. And so essentially it's just 175 million. Again, I'm using the trick where you say billions by thousands of millions to make it easier in terms of the decimal places. So 175 divided by 7,540, which gives 2.32%, which is the correct answer.